Hello and welcome to this video. Many DV 2024 applicants have been asking questions concerning their case number. They wish to know whether their case number is a high case number or a low case number. So that's the question we will be answering in today's video. Now, it is true that the first SEAC data for the DV 2024 program have not yet been published. And so we do not know the exact overall case number ranges from the various regions. But what we do have are case numbers reported by DV 2024 applicants, and we can use that to establish an approximate overall case number range for each of the regions. And that is just what I have done in an article that I just published. And so what I'm going to do now is to take you over to that article in order for us to consider the classifications of various approximate case number ranges from each of the regions. So now let's do that. So this is the article in question, and in this article we have tables showing various case number ranges along with their respective classifications based on case numbers that have been reported by DV 2024 applicants. Now, I must mention that the case numbers reported are from entire regions and not from specific countries. So beginning with the Africa region, as you can see in this table, with a case number below 20,000, that case number can be considered as a low case number. In case your case number is from 20,000 to just below 40,000, that can be considered as a relatively low case number. If it is from 40,000 to just below 80,000, that can be considered as an average case number. If it is from 80,000 to just below 100,000, then it can be considered as a relatively high case number. Now, 100,000 and above from the Africa region can be considered as a high case number in the DV 2024 program. To the next table that shows classifications for the Asia region, in case you have a case number below 8,000 from the Asia region, that can be considered as a low case number. If your case number is anywhere from 8,000 to below 15,000, that can be considered as a relatively low case number. If it is from 15,000 to below 30,000, that can be considered an average case number. If it is from 30,000 to below 40,000, that can be considered as a relatively high case number. And if it is 40,000 and above, it can be considered as a high case number in the DV 2024 program. Next is the Europe region, where a case number below 10,000 can be considered as a low case number. In case the case number is anywhere from 10,000 to below 20,000, it can be considered as a relatively low case number. From 20,000 to below 45,000 can be considered as an average case number. From 45,000 to below 60,000 can be considered as a relatively high case number, and from 60,000 and above can be considered as a high case number in the Europe region when it comes to the DV 2024 program. Next should have been the North America region, but the North America region is so small a region that the issue of high case number and low case number is actually not important. And so we move on to the next table, which is the final table. And this table shows the classification for both the Oceania and South America region, because case numbers reported from both of these regions are very similar. And so we have established the same approximate case number range for both of those regions. And so if you are from either the Oceania or South America region with a case number below 800, that can be considered as a low case number. In case your case number is anywhere from 800 to below 1,500, that can be considered as a relatively low case number. If it is 1,500 to below 3,000, that can be considered as an average case number. If it is anywhere from 3,000 to below 4,000, that can be considered as a relatively high case number. And if it is 4,000 and above, it can be considered as a high case number. That concerns both the Oceania and South America regions. So that is it. As I said, the tables that we just saw can tell you whether your case number is a high case number or a low case number as a DV 2024 applicant. Now, there is an important issue concerning case numbers that I have observed many of you are not aware of, and so that is what I will be discussing in my next video. So look out for that video. And in case you would like to access my webpage that I just shared with you, then click on the second link below this video. And in case you are in need of guidance for your diversity visa application, then click on the first link and it will take you to my guidance platform. Use the tools on the platform to get information concerning my guidance program. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching it. See you very soon, God willing, in the next one. Goodbye.